Welcome back to task number 4. In the previous task, we created our book a test drive section, and in this task, we will build the explore new offers section. Now, offers are really good way to entice customers. This is especially true for high ticket items. Creating a good offer is as much art as science. Offers must have a sense of urgency in them. It must develop FOMO or fear of missing out in the audience. Offer should be irresistible. In the automobile industry, customers delay buying cars for festivals or special seasons or occasions so that they can get the maximum discount. So, our goal is to make them buy a car now instead of waiting for a festival 6 months from now. So, we are going to create a car exchange offer for our customers where they can come in with their old car and go out with a brand new car. So, we are going to create this offer. So, please click on the wall and click on text button. So now we are going to write our offer. Suzuki car exchange offer. Bring your old Suzuki car and exchange it with a brand new one. On spot financing, on spot valuation, and on spot paperwork and delivery. So Suzuki car exchange offer: bring your old Suzuki car and exchange it with a brand new one. On-spot financing, on-spot valuation, and on-spot paperwork and delivery. And we're going to add a button now. Get it. So this is going to be our offer, and we are going to connect this block over here to this one. Now, when our visitors click on the explore new offers, they will be shown this message, and when they click on get ticket, we will mail them the confirmation code, venue details, and the ticket. So we are going to ask them for the email ID once again. So again, right click and text plus buttons, and we are going to answer them. Thank you for your thank you for your interest. Just drag it over here. Seats are limited. Our representative will mail you the venue details and confirmation code. Please provide your email and add content. So save user email, and now if this subscriber or if this visitor has ever communicated with you on Messenger, you can have access to the email. So we are going to use auto pop-up too. So it will be a one-tap solution. The user can just tap on the email. So we are gonna add email. Let's select this and let's connect this one to this button. Thank you for your interest. Seats are limited. Our representative will mail you the venue details and confirmation code. Please provide your email. And when our subscribers gives us their email ID, now we are going to write the final thank you button for them. Connect this one to this block, and thank you. You will receive a mail soon. And now for the final part, we are going to mail the admin. So click on bot action, click on add action, click on notify admin via email, and let's edit it. The email ID, subject, new ticket claim from first name. Hi, a ticket has been claimed for upcoming exchange festival by first name, last name. Please contact them immediately on we are going to auto pop up email regarding confirmation. So it's done, and now we are going to connect this to this action, and now we are going to click on this organize button. So perfect. So that's all for this task. In this task we created our explore offer section, and in the next task we will create the talk to our advisor section. See you in the next task.